and for those of you that don't know me, my name is Chloe and this is the Korean Tang Soo Do Academy. Today's video is sponsored by Yvette. And this is my 100k video, and Yvette are kindly giving away this full outfit, modeled by moi, to one lucky winner. The bra that we are giving away is the crossback adjustable sports bra. Now this bra I love because it's adjustable even in the shoulder straps and around the chest also. So if you're like me and you've got a little bit of a longer body, I had to adjust the straps and it fits me absolutely perfectly. And the leggings we are giving away are the high-waisted air hole leggings designed for high-impact workouts. The material is super soft also, and it just helps shape your body that bit better. All you've got to do to be within a chance of winning is to be subscribed to this channel, the Korean Tang Soo Do Academy, and to be following myself and Yvette on Instagram. We will announce one lucky winner on our Instagram and YouTube next Friday. See in the comments for full details on how to apply. So, putting that aside for a second, let's get on with today's video. We're going to do a 10-minute core workout testing the Yvette clothes. Grab yourself some mats if you need one, find a carpeted area in your home, grab a drink of water on standby, and let's get sweaty. We are doing 45 seconds exercise, 15 seconds rest, in which I'll be showing you the next exercise. This is a good one, guys. It really gets the heart rate going, gets you sweaty, and better yet, it's amazing for a full body workout.
I felt your heavy breath through darkness. The smoke is getting close to my bed. I cannot make a sound, empty lungs, sleeping but awake, paralyzed. Don't cover me, 'cause I'ma let you out, I'ma let you in. You're my enemy. If you will let me go, I will let you in. So cover me, 'cause I'ma let you out, I'ma let you in. You're my enemy. If you would let me go, I will let you in. what you missed out on all your life. I got a wild heart, so take a ride. I'll be your Bonnie. If you're my Clyde, I'm about to show you what you missed out on all this time. Seekers in the fast lane, I'll pass them by on my own way. I got dreams as big as mountains. Yeah, I'm heading out there to chase it.
workout, guys? I certainly did, and I needed it today. And I hope you guys did also. Stay tuned, subscribe for more videos like this coming your way. And also don't forget to check out the full rules on how to enter to win this outfit next Friday. Take care, guys, and I'll catch you soon. Goodbye.